Okay, guys, we did the most difficult part of the test, which was those formulas up there, and everything's good to go so far. Now, we applied formatting dollar cells, which simply means that we had to put the numbers in American dollars where appropriate. All right, now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more marks to go. Simple things, but we don't want to lose these 5 easy marks. First one, save and print the spreadsheet showing the formula. Okay, so, and we want to make sure that what we print up is in landscape orientation, row and column headings are displayed, and the contents of all cells are fully visible. Okay, that's important. All cells, all the contents of the cells are fully visible because they want to see my formulas. Okay, so back in my spreadsheet. Okay, I click on formulas. Now I do show formulas. Okay, great. It's spread it open, but I can see my formulas aren't all visible. Okay, let's try to make sure that all formulas are visible. Cool. So what I did is I just clicked on, okay, let me show you what I did again. If I click on this square up here where there's no number or column, okay, just click on the square, it'll select my entire worksheet. Then if I put my cursor in one of the column breaks, so it's that solid black cross like that, and if I click on it twice on my mouse pad, it will automatically just expand everything. Okay, I'm going to click on it. And so great, that's expanded everything and shows all my formulas. Okay, and it says, what do we want to do? Save in spreadsheet showing that it's in landscape orientation. So to do that, we go to File, Print, okay, and I can change it from here. I can change portrait orientation. I can change it to landscape. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so that's going to be 2 pages that I'll print out. That's fine. Okay, that's great. So I've selected my format to be landscape. I can also do that in page layout. Okay, if I click on page layout and I do this, orientation, okay, and select landscape, that will do that as well. Okay, they don't ask me to do anything else, so I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to change anything. Good, contents of cells are fully visible. As I can see, they are all fully visible, so that's what I would print up, and that's what I would get marked on for my formulas. Okay. And that's that printout there, okay? Don't worry about your center number and candidate number for now because we're just doing names. We'll worry about that when you write the mock. All right, so now, couple more things I want to do. What they want me to do is they want to test my data. So I'm going to enter the code G in my cabin code, and I want a weekly rate for 2 weeks, okay? So let's go back to this. Now, let's get rid of the formulas. So I click on formulas. Click on Show Formulas to deselect it, and I'm back in my I'm back in my view like this. Let's close some of these. Sorry, make some of these smaller so it's easier to see what we're doing. Okay, let's expand rate a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I'm just sort of making it smaller so everybody can see what we're doing. Cool. All right, that should fit on one page. Should fit on one page because I can see that's my page break there. Okay, that's my page break there, that dotted line. And now what we want to do, enter the code G. Okay, so cabin code is G in here. And I'm renting it for a weekly rate of 2 weeks. So I want to change my rate from D to W. And I still have 2 weeks, and that's great, good, so good. Change it from Lakeview to Granby. The code for Granby is G, so that's wonderful. And Granby is a weekly rate of 484 times 2 is 968. Amazing, wonderful. So then they want me to print the spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure the printout fits on a single page. Contents of the cell are fully visible. So great, all my contents of the cells are fully visible. I change that. Let's do this, print. If I go to print, and I can see here in my preview that everything fits on one page because I'm still on, I'm still on orientation, which is, sorry, my orientation is landscape. So it'll print nicely everything on one page, okay? No, that's good, okay. That's great, so I'd print that up and I'd be good to go, okay? Now, we want to do one more thing. We want to change the booking to cabin with code B for 3 days, okay? So we want to change the code cabin to B. And we don't want weeks, we want D for days. And we want not 2, but 3 days. And boom, that's good. B stands for Breckenridge. Wonderful. It's $75 a day. Good. Total cost. Excellent. Good. Excellent. No errors, so I'd print that up as well. And that is good. Last thing they want me to do, save and print my evidence document, which of course is this guy here. So I'd save that and print it up. And that would be the test. Okay, guys. Good luck. See you in class.